What's up, guys? Welcome to Rider Infusion. Today we're talking about one specific thing, one thing that I believe a lot of motorcyclists are getting wrong. And I believe that instead of actually protecting riders, it's doing the opposite effect. A motorcycle is no competition to a car. If someone wants to hit you and someone wants to sideswipe you and drive you off the road, they will. And they will win. Every single time they will win. Like in my exact scenario, I should not be, as people say, I should not be in lane position 3. I should be in lane position 1 so that this person to the left of me can see where I'm at in their mirrors. And you are trusting that person in that they're going to possibly see you and be respectful and not move into your lane. I keep as much space away from me and other vehicles as possible. The lane position that I choose is constantly evolving. It's constantly changing. It's constantly adapting to the environment that I am in. There is no one correct lane position, but the goal should be that you are creating as much space as you possibly can from any other vehicle that is around you. That should be your goal because that's creating space. And when space is created, you have more time to react to that particular driver doing something that you did not expect for them to do. That first video clip that you guys saw, it's a perfect example of why and or how I am trying to disprove that entire theory. That motorcycle was cruising down in lane position 1 in the furthest to the right lane. So that motorcyclist was in the view of that truck the entire time. Like, there is not a single vehicle that is around me right now that I trust in that they would check their mirrors, that I trust in that they would check their mirrors and actually notice me. Like, if I'm going to be riding here in lane position 1 and this Mustang, let's just say I'm moving a little bit closer and this Mustang just all of a sudden decides to change lanes, like right into me, I'm not going to have time to react to that. Why anyone would ever put their life as a motorcyclist, why anybody would ever put their life into the hands of another driver, I do not understand. I've had comments on my videos where people are commenting and saying that they're like, man, if you're a motorcycle rider and you're riding, you have to own your lane. This is your lane. You ride wherever it's comfortable for you. Like, what? Own your lane? On a motorcycle, on 2 wheels? On a 500-pound bike? Against 3,500 to 8,000-pound vehicles? Sure. Like, that's gonna happen. You ain't owning nothing. You're gonna own the pavement when you're gonna go scraping up against it when someone decides to change lanes onto you. What experience teaches me is that you cannot trust anyone on the road. Experience teaches me that I need to be putting as much space between me and the people that are around me so that I control the outcome of someone's stupidity. I control the outcome of what happens when I am riding next to a vehicle that just all of a sudden decides to change lanes right into me or onto me. I control that outcome. Like right now, if someone decides to go into my lane, it's not gonna bother me. I have so much space between me and them, like it does not bother me. The amount of miles that I put on my motorcycles is far more than the average rider. Everything that I'm talking about, everything that I'm speaking about is from my own personal experience. I have not had one scenario, not one situation in where I was riding and somebody changed lanes onto me or into my lane and it was a close call. Not one. If I am ever in a position where I am forced to ride next to another vehicle that's next to me and I can't necessarily accelerate, I can't just slow down, can't really change lanes, but I have to ride next to someone. What I normally do, like right now, I'll try to show it to you guys. My head is usually just slightly turned into the direction of where that vehicle is, and I can see that car in my peripheral vision. Like I can see that black car that is to the right of me. If that car decides to go into my lane, throttle it out and get out of the way. Watch my mirrors, see what's going on, see how close they are to me, adapt to the situations, guys. Super, super important that you adapt to what is going on around you. Right now, again, another example, I'm in lane position 3, furthest from the vehicle that is to the left of me. Some of you guys would say, don't hug the fog line. You got to be closer to those vehicles so that they'll see you. Why is no one changing lanes on me? Why is no one in my way? Why is no one running me over? One of the reasons is because I'm not in their blind spot. I'm not riding in a place to where that if they do change lanes, that they're just gonna run me over. And 2, I'm giving myself time to react to other people's stupidity. That is what is important. I really wish that during this ride, I could at least just get one scenario where someone is changing lanes onto my lane, onto me. Like, I ride so much. I put on so many freaking miles. Why do I not get that? Like, prove me wrong, guys. Go into the comment section and start typing away. Start telling me how I'm wrong. I think you guys get the idea. I don't know. I feel like I've been rambling on for a long time. I feel like if you've watched this video, you get the idea. Keep your distance. Be smart. Read traffic. Predict situations, bad situations before they happen. Right now, I'm putting myself in lane position 3, just in case anybody out of that left lane there decides to go into this lane. I have time to move over. It's just as simple as that. I see someone going in, boom, I go into this lane. I have to go back, I can go back. It's not a problem, you guys. It's all about giving yourself time to react to a bad situation. That's all that it is. Obviously, more to it, but that's the basis. We got new videos coming out every single day. Real short related type content. And we've got long form videos coming out once a week. I hope you stay safe out there. Like this video if you did enjoy it. Slow down. There you go. You don't have to come up so close. I'll see you guys on the next one. Ride safe.